It is Tuesday, September 13th, and the time is 10:46 a.m. And I've just closed everything that I have for the week. I didn't quite make 5%, but I made about 4.5%. Started the week over here with 3360 on Sunday night, Monday, and this time I was done with only 4 orders, and that was with the help of the CPI numbers as well. But and this time what I did is I put the orders in advance, and once I got filled and I got my profit for the week, almost my profit for the week, I went ahead and canceled the rest of the orders. But I'm going to go ahead and go over that. So here are the numbers again. Started with 3360 and ended up with 3906. That's about 4.5%. Starting with the AED, CAD, didn't get anything on that one. Didn't reach any of the levels, so nothing was filled, nothing was placed. Then the AED Swiss, nothing, but as we speak, we have a buy at S1 that, again, I'm not going to take. I'm done for the week, 4.5. The thing to be concerned with is if I'm 4.5% up, and when we say let's go ahead and take a long in here just to make it 5%, get that extra 0.5%, and you go down here and it continues to move, and you're down to 3%, and you stop putting additional orders, trying to make up back to 4.5% and start making mistakes. So when you decide you're done for the week, you should just close everything out and you're done. And that's what I'm doing. AED Swiss, didn't get anything on there. We are down at S1 now. If need to be taken, it's a good setup in here. I think it can move up from here for a little bit. AED New Zealand, I took a short on R1, and within the same bar over here, it came down and got me filled. And that was the fill one when I was okay with 4.5% profit. I went ahead and took it in here manually. ADN, nothing. We got close to R1 this morning, but didn't quite get there. Nothing on the CAD yen. Nothing on the CAD Swiss. Nothing here. Nothing. Got close to R1, but not enough to take a trade. Nothing. Well, this one did move up to R1 this morning, but it was when I was placing orders, we were over here at this level, and I just didn't anticipate this move, so I didn't put any. I put orders in for the pairs that were close to the levels for the R1 or S1, and this one wasn't even close, so I didn't put anything in there. But if I had put a short in here, it would have been picked up and good for immediate profits in here. Pound Swiss is going down to S1. The pound, I put a short in here in the beginning of the week, got close to it in here, didn't quite fill, moved around, I got filled this morning. Yeah, this morning in here, or overnight, I guess. Yeah, overnight, 3 o'clock in the morning. And when I woke up and wasn't doing much of anything, the news came in and down it went. I took profit in here somewhere. Let's see. The profit I took on the 55.15.7. Yeah, somewhere in there. Continued, but I could have made the 5, but I was just really happy with the 5 since I hadn't really made any profit in the past few weeks. It was good to go back to having a profitable week. Then the New Zealand, pound New Zealand, nothing in here, getting close to R1. Euro AD, nothing. Euro Swiss, it got close over here to R1. Put a limit in here, and then it didn't get filled, and I canceled it when I closed everything out earlier this morning. Same thing with the Euro CAD. I put a limit sell in here. Didn't quite get to it. It would have been okay even before the news, but didn't get filled. Euro New Zealand is getting close to R1. Euro did do really well for me. I had missed this one. I didn't really think the Euro on Monday gonna move this much. Didn't put a limit in here. If I did, it would have been okay for a little bit of profit in here. I would have been taking profit here as support before the news. But I put the order in, got picked up this morning, and down it went. I got filled with profit in here, but could have gotten some more out of it. The same thing with the Euro Yen. I did not put a limit Monday. Didn't anticipate the Euro to move this much on Monday. It did, and that would have been good as well with a nice gain. But so I didn't get anything with the Euro Yen. Nothing here. And nothing here. Nothing. This got into S1. Would have been a long in here and added to it down here somewhere. But that was this morning after I closed everything out. New Zealand is down here. Could be a long right now if needed. The Swiss, I put a long in here, didn't get filled on Monday, kept moving, got filled this morning, and as the news came in, it pushed up and I took profit in here. Yen is right at R1 right now, and it's a good trade to be taken short, which I will pass on as well. And the CAD is R1 as well, and I'm not going to take it. So 4.5% for the week, and that's only in the 24 hours of the week, pretty much Sunday through Tuesday morning. Good week, and next week I'll increase my trade size to 3,500, and hopefully repeat this again.